Hi everybody, this is day 15 of the 30-day video challenge, and I'm going to show you how to take the vital signs of a patient that you may have using our hospital equipment vital sign machine. Here is a vital sign machine. To turn it on, you go ahead and hit this button. Okay, to clear out anything, you can hit this button, and also silences it for if the alarms go off for any reason. Here's your thermometer probes. This line here is attached to the blood pressure cuff, which is right here. That's where it attaches. Without that attaching, I won't be able to blow up your blood pressure cuff to inflate. Right here shows you the proper way that you would put the blood pressure cuff on a patient. You always want to make sure the artery is visible so you know where you're placing the exact blood pressure cuff. So now that before I go ahead and take my blood pressure, I also want to show you, here is to measure the pulse oxygenation. You put this on the finger and it measures the oxygen level in the blood. And this is our thermometer, which we use to measure the patient's temperature. So I'm going to go ahead and place this on my finger and take my temperature. Now if you wear acrylic nails, it may give you an inaccurate reading. Once you put this on, the red light on means it's working. Your oxygen saturation should measure about above 93%. You always want to keep it above 93%. The best is 100%. As you can see, my oxygen level right now is 100% and my heart rate's 77. Okay. To take the temperature, you go ahead and you take the thermometer probe out. You put the probe cover on, lift it up, and you're going to put it underneath the tongue. As you can see, my temperature is measuring as it read it. Once you're done, you go ahead and you click the top part off to take off the top of the probe cover and put it back in the thermometer hole. Now to take blood pressure, you're going to go ahead and hit this button. I'm going to stop talking so it can give me a more accurate reading of my blood pressure. And then you want to make sure your arm is always level with your heart. As you can see, the blood pressure cuff is inflating. Okay, so as you can see, my blood pressure is 117/73. My heart rate is 71, and my oxygenation level averages around 98% to 100%, which is perfectly normal. The top number of the blood pressure is called the systolic blood pressure, and you normally want that number to be between 80 to 120. 80 is a little on the low side, and then the bottom number you want between 60 and 80, which is the diastolic blood pressure. Alright guys, well that's how you would take vital signs on a patient if you were here in the hospital using our machines. Tune in for day 16. Alright, bye.